Well guys, welcome back to Northwoods Angling. We're on our way to Idaho to fish for monster jumbo perch. Hopefully we'll get some big rainbow trout to go along. So the next time you see me, we are gonna be in Idaho. We'll see you there. Welcome to Idaho, guys. We made it. Easy plane ride. The weather was crazy cold in Minnesota. We're out on Cascade Lake targeting jumbo perch once again. Round 2 out with Mr. Nick Epler, my brother Nick behind the camera, and his girlfriend Kelly. And today we're gonna crush some monster perch for you guys. Stay tuned. Let's get them. It's gonna be crazy.
So we're up here today chasing some jumbo yellow perch. You don't typically like to work a jigging rod in her hand and then set up a couple dead sticks. And these fish have a tendency to travel around in pretty small schools. You know, usually 2 to 3 fish, and then they just move on through. So you got to do a lot of moving yourself, a lot of hole hopping. Try to stay as mobile as you can and get on the fish.
There we go. That thing came up really high above my bait. It might be a trout. It's either a really big perch or it's a trout. And it hammered it. It just hammered it. Oh, maybe it's not as big as I thought. Oh gosh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Right here. They get much bigger than this. This is definitely a female. Probably 13.5 inches. Beautiful fish. Not a jumbo. This is actually gonna be an eater, I'd say. Wouldn't you say?
I'd say let's throw it in the frying pan.
I'd say this is an eater. Beautiful fish though. We're gonna fry this one up. As you can see, just beautiful looking fish. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. We're gonna put this one down on the ice. We're gonna fillet this one. Perfect eater for this lake. Not even a monster for out here, but we're gonna get the jig back down and we're gonna catch some more fish. Awesome. Perch number 1 for Nick. Oh my goodness. There we go.
What you got going on over there, Luke?
It's a big fish. Oh my.
You want a hand?
Oh my. Oh gosh. I brought it up 10 feet off the bottom and it kind of got disinterested. So what I did was drop it all the way back down. It chased it all the way back down, which typically isn't something you want to do when you're targeting these fish. Kind of want to, oh, it's a toad. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm talking about. So that was a very, oh gosh, beautiful fish. It's a big old pot belly on these. Just marvelous, wonderful. I can't describe how yellow these fins are. And they're just plump fish. This isn't a big one, big enough to mount. Probably not gonna eat this one. Probably gonna let this guy
Luke,
go.
I got one coming.
But beautiful fish. And he came up and just
I got one chasing me. There we go.
It's a good eater. Nice
Like
fish.
that sumo size that we're looking for. It's more of that typical representative Cascade jumbo.
Welcome back, guys. Northwoods Angling out here with Mr. Nick Epler. And today, as you can tell, look at the scenery, guys. The mountains, the lake. It doesn't get any more beautiful than this. Just kidding. We're in a snowstorm and we're gonna crush some monster perch today.
Let it snow and let's go.
Let's do it.
Here we go, Luke. Got a fish on here. Feels like it could be decent. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. That's a great Cascade perch there.
Quality Cascade perch. And this snow is coming down hard, guys. And we are out here fighting the weather. And it is wicked out. That might have been the fish I just lost. Who knows? But I just lost. I want to show you guys the belly on these fish. Turn that fish upside down. And look at the girth on these fish, guys. And that is exactly why we fish this lake.
Look at the colors.
Bright orange.
Just vibrant.
Beautiful fish.
Well, we kept enough for dinner last night, so this one's gonna go right back down the hole.
Nice fish. Perfect.
There we go.
Fish.
Let's drop down and get another one.
Nice one. We got a fish right off bottom here. I just saw him come up. I saw him blimp up. But he's not seemed to be coming off the bottom. And we're just running just a little spoon with a little blade on it. Pretty simple. It's actually a trout spoon. And it seems like that little bit extra blade on there is really, I don't know if it's I had good luck with it yesterday. But as long as I see it mark up high, I'm gonna come up to it. And now he's coming up to it.
I got a mark 2 here. We might be able to double up.
Oh, I just lost it. I'm gonna try to put it back down. That was a good mark. There it is. There it is. And that's what you're looking for. They're coming in. They're not sure if they want to take it. And that one, I had to fiddle with it just a little bit, but it ended up taking. I might leave my deucer down on this. And there it is. Oh, that's a male. It's like a 12-inch male. It's actually a good size male. It's doesn't look big like the other ones, but that's actually a decent sized male. Healthy fish, and these are the ones you need to produce more fish. So we're gonna let this guy go. Perfect. Thank you. Woo. Oh yeah, coming up hard. There it is. Oh, that snow's coming down hard. Oh, I gotta get this out of the way again. You guys, this never gets old. It never gets old. It never, ever, ever. I did have a trout on earlier. This thing's got a lot of big heads. Oh yeah, big old jumbo. Get that head up the hole. Oh my gosh, it's digging so hard. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Good 1.5-pounder. And this is typical perch here. This isn't like a big perch for this lake. And you guys can see, this one's not a super colorful one, but it's a 13-incher. Beautiful fish. And you can see, laying them in your hand, how big these fish are. Wide as your hand. Some of them go up to your elbow sometimes. That's what you want. Get this guy back in there, catch a few more.
Well, what we got on the other end of the line here?
I like this Epler.
First it felt a little bit like a trout, but let's see what we got here. Oh, there's another big old yellow belly perch there. Oh, that's a dandy. That's a 15-inch plus perch right there. Probably just shy of 2 pounds. That is a great fish. Go ahead and pull a couple hooks out of her here. We're gonna send this one right back down the hole so she can spawn out and maybe keep a few more of these things coming through the system. It's a great Cascade perch.
Oh, we got a school here. There we go. We got a school here, guys. Oh, it's pulling too. Let's get this deucer out of the way. Oh yeah.
All right, Luke, we seem to be on a little bit of a bite here.
Oh, pull and drag. This is what we like to see, guys, out in Idaho. Now, if I can get the fish in, that's the next step to success, getting the fish topside. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh my, jumbo Cascade, guys. Look at the guts on these fish. It literally doesn't get any better here. Let me show you guys. Oh, yeah, right there, guys. That is what it's all about. Coming to Idaho with the good friends. Get this guy back down the hole. Hell yeah.
That's a good one.
Thing hammered it.
There we go. Yeah, I got a fish on here.
Hit her hard too.
That one was aggressive. Come flying up off the bottom. Let's deuce her out of the way here and see what we got on the other line.
It's a little windy, Epler.
Yeah, oh man, what a snowstorm.
What do you do though? You fish. You fish.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go. Beauty.
Another Cascade beauty there. Battling the elements. Stacking them up out here in the snowstorm. That's a great fish. That's good representative, you know, pushing pound and a half Cascade fish.
That's the average Cascade jumbo there.
Yep, she sure is.
That's what you want. Not overly big, not small. I'd come help you, but I'm too busy
Away
fishing.
she goes. Let's get another one, Luke.
Doesn't feel big. Doesn't feel big,
well,
but it is a fish.
We'll just make sure.
You guys, we're gonna end it up. This is it. This is a fish, and I'm gonna tell you guys, we're gonna end it on the biggest fish of the trip, right here. There we go. All right, guys. I just want to. We're gonna go hide. We're gonna end it on this monster. Nick, I know you're proud of me.
I'm really proud of you, Luke. There.
It was It's been an awesome trip. We're almost done fishing here. We're gonna go watch the Super Bowl, cook some perch. I'm gonna talk to you guys with my eyes closed because I don't know what else to do. Oh my gosh, that hurts so bad. But thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Northwoods Angling. From me, Nick, and Kelly, and everyone else at Northwoods Angling, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Look at this. This is what you get. We'll talk to you later.